How to prevent people from mentioning you on TikTok. Disabling mentions can be useful, for example, if people keep tagging you and you're getting, annoying notifications. The entire process is pretty simple. So start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy, which is the second one down. Scroll down to the Interactions section. Then tap on Mentions. You can see there's only one option here, Allow Mentions From. Right now mine's set to everyone, but if you go ahead and tap on that, you can see you can set it to where only people you follow can mention, only followers that you follow back, or nobody. You can go ahead and set that to no one if you want no one to be able to mention you, or just friends if you want, only people you follow to mention you. Once you're done, just tap away, and that's it. Before you go, check this out.